WAEC 2000 question 1. They ask for a characteristic of bacteria. The answer is the absence of a nuclear membrane. 4. The euglena bridge. The science. Euglena is a protist that acts like both a plant and an animal. WAEC 2015 question 5. Why is euglena difficult to classify? Because it has chloroplast, plant, and a flagellum, animal. WAEC 2021 question 4. They ask which organelle in euglena is plant-like. The answer is chloroplast. 5. Kingdom fungi. The science. Fungi are unique because of their cell wall and their feeding style. WAEC 2020 question 14. What is the cell wall of fungi made of? The answer is chitin. WAEC 2005 question 4. They ask about the mode of nutrition in mushrooms. The answer is saprophytic. 6. Binomial nomenclature rules. The science. Genus first, capital. Species second, small. WAEC 2016 question 5. They give you names and ask which is written correctly. Look for the one with the capital genus and small species name. Summary. Class, we've organized life today. We've seen that from WAEC 2010 question 2 to WAEC 2021 question 4, the examiners keep coming back to the same concepts: the definition of a species, the levels of classification, and the unique features of each kingdom. Assignment. Write down the levels of classification for a human, from kingdom down to species. Note which question number in WAEC 2012 confirms that species is your final answer. Next class, Lesson 3, Viruses. We will find out why these outlaws are the only things that don't fit into these 5 kingdoms. Class dismissed.